Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's sunny here in Chicago. We should have a couple more days of sun and then the rains return. A lot of data overnight from the USDA. We've got corn plantings 92% done. That was a little bit better than expected. The first crop rating was 74% good to excellent, which was a little bit below what the market had thought and below the record ratings for this week. Some people note that in the state-by-state reports that the cool weather had kind of slowed down the growth of this corn crop, and the crop needs growing degree days. Also, a lot of debate going on whether or not we're going to see a little bit less acres because of this wet period over the last couple of weeks, and will that be offset by a higher yield? A lot of talk about El Nino getting stronger, and historically El Nino years have been good for U.S. Summer crops. As far as the soybean plantings, we advanced 16% to 61% versus 55 average. Some people think that if we lose some corn acres, we're going to gain some bean acres. But again, beans planted after June 1st do not yield as well as beans planted before June 1st. Hard wheat crop conditions, soft wheat crop conditions, overall winter wheat crop conditions stayed unchanged, 45% good to excellent. Again, normally when we see this much rain, it's more of a basis play on the upside than it is on the futures, especially given all the world wheat supply that there is out there. Overnight, we've got beans up a little bit, corn and wheat down. I think the beans are up because of the ongoing uncertainty of the strike in Argentina and what that might mean as far as meal shipments are concerned. Overall, the market's still negative beans because of the large supply. Over in the wheat, we're down another 8 cents, dropped 20 cents yesterday. It almost feels like wheat now has to trade here in the U.S. as a feed grain and try to compete with corn prices to be fed versus used for either export or milling. Corn prices, I think, are reacting just to the overall weather outlook and the fact that we could see another big crop this year, and the U.S. farmer has a lot of corn to sell from last year and has not sold a lot of corn for next year's crop. Other than that, the dollar's again a little firmer, which is offering some resistance to the commodity market. So in general, beans up, corn and wheat lower as we go into the end of the month. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
So 65.05 on a limit, good till canceled. That is on ticket number 2190-5377.